Well, it's a cold winter morning and I have to finish my fireplace surround. I got something today. A bottom garage door seal. And this is how I have been sealing up the air gap at the bottom of this door. I don't even know if it's meant to go on this style of door or not, but before I build a fire and get the heat built up in here, I'm going to try to put this on. This is pretty straightforward. Oh, upside down. You just screw the track on and slide in the rubber gasket. I have the rubber gasket inside in front of the heater, trying to get it to relax a little bit and get those folding marks out where it was wrapped around these channels here. This is just some extruded aluminum, and you screw right straight through this into the bottom of your garage door. Has these self-tapping screws. Well, it looks like for some reason this one dove down a little bit, but it'll be fine, it'll be fine. Here's your gasket. I just held it up. This is for a 9-foot wide door, and I don't have anywhere near a 9-foot wide door. So you can see, even after sitting on the heater, it's nice and warm and flexible. But these corners here where it was wrapped around in its packaging, I hope this isn't permanently damaged. But I'm going to cut this end off and this end off. And the only messed up area that I'll have is this part in the middle, and I'm hoping that over time this works itself out. It's fed into the, just like that. Ooh. It did on one side. So the whole right side, more than half the right, seals up nice and tight. Get over there to the left side, and it's either the garage door or the cement slab, both of which are very old. So what do I do about that? Try to figure out this garage door and lower this side, but then that's going to kick that side over. So what I'm going to do is raise the garage door up, slide this gasket over, and starting at this screw, that's the self-tapping screw, I'm going to put a spacer there, there, and there. And it's got to be about a 1/2 inch. So I found this stuff in the garage. and it's only about 3/8 inch thick. So we're gonna put one, maybe 2 layers of this on. This is a gasket material for mounting a truck cap or truck topper, or whatever you call them where you live. It's weather stripping. You get it at the Home Depot. This is exactly what it's called: sponge window seal. Okay, it looks good. We've got a teeny tiny little bit of air right there, which, you know, right here you can see the little bit of how it dips down. There's the gasket. It goes all the way over. Now there's other gaskets that you can get for garage doors for like that gap right there that I'm going to look into getting. And the gap closes as it goes up. And then, of course, I got another gap up here. I could probably use the same type of garage door gasket on top right here. Oh, well, actually that closes up pretty good. Too bad. But there you go. Now I can clean this mess up instead of sweeping it in front of the door.